Hey, what's up you guys, BigZ in this one from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your video location on YouTube. Okay, so I'm on my vlog with BigZ channel. This is the channel dashboard. So this is what shows up when you actually log in, right? Log into your YouTube studio, and once that's done, just click on videos here, and it's gonna get you all the videos that you've uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so here are all my videos, and I'm going to go scroll down and go into my Victoria vlog and just click on details here. So you have details, you have analytics, comments, and all those things. Just click on details. So it will show you details like the basic details here, the title, the description, the thumbnail, and all the other things. But look at this tab here, more options. So click on that, click, and then look at that. Right next to the recording date, you have video location. So I'm going to update that here because I don't have any video location here. You can also update your recording date as well, but I'm more interested in the video location. So I'm going to change the location to Bouchard Gardens because the video was taken at Bouchard Gardens. Okay, so let's just type that in, B-U-T-C-H-A-R-T, Bouchard Gardens. There you go. This one or that one, either one of them works. So I'm just going to go with the first one. And just like that, the location is updated to Bouchard Gardens, and I'm going to save it. There you go, that's done. So when you play this video on your browser, you'll see the location has been updated to Bouchard Gardens here, and it's written right on top of the title here. So just click on it and you'll see what happens. All the videos with the location Bouchard Gardens, they will show up here. See? Yeah, and these are basically all the videos. We went there during winter time, so most of the videos here are from the summertime because summer days they just look beautiful. So yeah, I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Also check out my vlog with BigZ channel. I just posted my New York trip over there. So yeah, check it out, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. BigZ out.